Hi friends, how are you doing? Now, as I always start, you don't have to be a genius to master trading. It's enough if you're disciplined and have a simple trading plan. Now, I have been successful following the two key things in trading. One is discipline, second thing is having a simple plan. Now, in this short video, I'll try to keep it as short as possible. I'm going to talk about a trading discipline. In fact, I'm going to talk about the intraday trading discipline. Now, discipline, as you say, I talk about in all of my videos because if you want to be successful, you have to be disciplined. Now, intraday trading, things happen very fast, and few key observation makes the small difference between winning and losing. And of course, every trader in a trade wants to win. So, what I'm going to tell you is a technique that is going to make you avoid some key mistakes. Okay? So without further delay, let's get on with it. Now, take a look at this stock. It can be any stock. Now, in this case, it's a HDFC stock. It's an Indian stock. Okay. So if you look at it, any stock, okay, has its ups and downs throughout the day. It has a wavy nature throughout the day. So what's important is you always trade with the trend. Now you would have heard 1,000 times, million times maybe, that people tell you always trade with the trend. Now what this actually means is that what this actually avoids you doing is you going against the crowd. Means if everybody is thinking of buying, why should you, in any common sense, think of selling? Shouldn't you be always be buying along with the crowd? Because we as retail traders, we hardly are capable of moving a stock. So it's better you join the carriage where all people are traveling and travel to a certain distance with them and then leave it. I think it's always better. That has always helped me. So I will suggest, if you're not doing that, try to do that first of all. Try to travel with the people, not against them. Okay? So generally on a 2-minute time frame, I use a 10 EMA line. If you don't know what is 10 EMA, there are a bunch of videos on the YouTube. Search what is an EMA line. Also, you can Google as well. You can get what is an EMA line. So on a 2-minute, I use a 10 EMA line. And what you can see, what I generally look for is a 45-degree angle between the horizontal and the 10 EMA. So consider in this case the 1250 line as the horizontal line. Do I see a 45-degree angle forming here? When I see a confirmed 45-degree angle along with a green candle formation, I buy it and I keep into the stock and I hold that stock as long as I see that the 10 EMA line is flattening out. You can see early indications when 10 EMA line is flattening out. It pretty much reacts with the stock on a 2 EMA. So when you get that indication, just get out of the stock. Now on a separate video, I'm going to talk about trailing stop losses, when to enter, when to exit, because that is also a critical point in trading. So that I'm going to talk about separately. So in this video, as I'm going to keep this very short, in this video what I'm going to talk, what's important is you get the idea about how to trade with the trend. Now similarly on the reverse side, let's say a horizontal line with the 1260. Is it forming a 45 degree? Yes, it is. So when do I stop? When it is flattening out. Okay. Now when do I not trade? You don't trade when the 10 EMA is flat. So let's take an example. Let me see TCS. TCS is another Indian stock. So you see, TCS was flat here. Do we trade? No, we don't. We look for a 45 degree. Do we see a 45 degree angle forming here with the horizontal? Any horizontal you draw, you don't see a 45 degree angle here. So you don't trade. Okay. So let's just take another example. Infi. Okay. So again, over here, do I see a 45 degree with this horizontal red line which indicates yesterday's close? Yes, you buy. Again, With this horizontal, do I see a 45 degree? Yes, because to be honest, in a intraday, all you look for is a 2 to 3 points profit, and that's it. That's all you're looking for. So this strategy, it will avoid two things. One is trade against the trend. Second thing is you always sort of gauge what is happening with the price, because if the 10 EM is flattening, it means price is flattening out. It is like hovering within a range. That is why the 10 EM is flattening. So I'm going to keep this very short, like I kept saying from the beginning. So let me just keep it short. I hope this helps. You guys follow it. If you have questions, do ask me. And as always, I keep on saying this, that if you have questions, email me, comment, and this will help me make more videos to help you guys share the knowledge out. And I do take online tutorial classes 1-to-1 on trading psychology and make you understand my own techniques. Hope it helps, guys. Thanks. Have a good day.